guys, welcome to the camera review of the new Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. At this time, I'm recording this video with the front camera of the Galaxy A53 with its own mic on 4K at 30 FPS, so you can get the idea of video quality from the front camera and the stabilization. In this review, I will include wide, ultra wide, portraits, macros, selfies, videos, slow motions and the night samples, so you can get clear idea of its camera. So for that, let's dive into the video. Okay, first I will put some numbers on table. The Galaxy A53 has 64 megapixel wide, which is Samsung's own sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide, a Sony sensor, 5 megapixel macro and 5 megapixel depth, and the 32 megapixel selfie camera. And now let's take a look at the camera application of the Galaxy A53, which welcome us by the photo mode. On bottom of the viewfinder, you can switch between wide and ultra wide, and you can also switch to 2x zoom up to 10x zoom. This is digital zoom. On left of the photo, we have portrait mode. By this bar, you can set the effect strength. And then to left, we have fun mode, in which you will see some Snapchat filters which you can use. And to right of photo, we have video mode. And in more, we have Pro video, night, macro and slow motion modes available. In Pro mode, ISO, shutter speed, exposure, focus and the white balance available. Now I am going to start with wide first with my own photo by comparing with Galaxy A52. Both have 64 megapixel main sensor. Can you notice any major difference? On both phones, color tone is very good. Galaxy A53 provides natural color, no oversaturation and overexposure. And in Galaxy A53, dynamic range is really impressive that you will notice in these samples. Not only wide, ultra wide of the Galaxy A53 is also pretty good, that we don't usually expect in this price range. Color tone is also good in ultra wide, but still I am not fully satisfied with ultra wide. Edges are soft and quality is not excellent. I will suggest you to use wide. Here I am comparing few wide and ultra wide samples so you can get better idea. And in portrait mode, edge detection is awesome of Galaxy A53. This time Samsung did an amazing job in portrait, not only on Galaxy A53 but also on A13, A23 and A33. And in low light, edge detection is good. Here you can see how well it detected the edges in low light. And now I'm going to share few zoom samples from which you can get idea of zoom of A53. This is wide, now 2x, 4x, and last which is available on this phone is 10x. These all are digital zoom and not impressive because there is no dedicated telephoto sensor on this phone. So you cannot expect good quality of photo in zoom. So only take photos in zoom when it's too much necessary. And Galaxy A53 usually takes photo in 16 megapixel but 64 megapixel option also available if you want to take photos in high resolution. There is no major difference between 16 and 64 megapixel photos, except you can crop the 64 megapixel image as much as you want in case you need. So in 64 megapixel, after good amount of cropping, you still have good quality and detail. And one thing to note, sometimes Galaxy A53 camera don't perform too much good in open area. I want to say it works best in less spacey area by focusing only on one subject. Other than that, the camera of the Galaxy A53 is awesome for wide shots. Now here are the few macro samples, but I'm not fan of macro camera on any phone. Seriously, I want to say who need this on phone. And if I talk about the night mode, it's good on this phone in this price tag. And here I compare night mode with the last year's Galaxy A52. In my opinion, both did good job. Galaxy A53's night mode is not bad, but in some samples, Galaxy A52 performed better. And on Galaxy A53, you can take night samples in ultra wide also. And now let's jump to the videos. Galaxy A53 can record in 720p at 30 fps, 1080p at 60 and 30 fps, and 4K at 30 fps. Video quality in 4K is brilliant in this price tag, good details, color and saturation. but in 1080p quality is okay, not so good. It seems fine until you import on PC. And here I'm sharing 4K at 30 fps sample of my video so you can judge the quality and colors. And the video focus of the Galaxy A53 is good. Here you can judge from these samples. There is a little bit delay, but I cannot complain in this price tag. And if I talk about the stabilization, the EIS is only available on 1080p at 30 fps. Stabilization is bit better, but quality is awful. Seriously, as you can see, detail, quality and colors are not good. Here I am comparing with and without stabilization. And here is slow motion sample. Galaxy A53 records slow motion in 720p at 240 fps. And on front we have 32 megapixel selfie camera to take awesome selfies. We have narrow and wide both modes available in selfie. Color tone in selfies is also impressive with good detail and focus. And in portrait mode, edge detection is also perfect on front camera. We can take portraits also in wide and narrow mode. And here are few selfies that I took with fun mode. So this was the camera review of the Galaxy A53 5G, and now it's time for the final thoughts. Galaxy A53 really takes brilliant wide shots with good colors and detail. And ultra-wide is not so bad, but it needs improvements. Edge detection and night mode are excellent, and the video quality is impressive in 4K. But for 1080p, there is some space for upgrade, which Samsung may provide in any upcoming update. Selfie camera is awesome. So in short, the camera of the Galaxy A53 is really good in this price range. If you want to buy it for camera, then go for it. But at the end, this is my opinion. You can disagree with that and can put your thoughts in comments below. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Take care. Peace for all.